Sunny view is absolutely outstanding. You can even see Matterhorn from here, although it's very small. Yeah, that's Matterhorn. I'm so happy I can see it from my hotel balcony. These are all the different chalets. And this is mine. From up close, of course. But this view is just so nice. I mean, the birds chirping and the mountains and Matterhorn in the distance. It's just so nice. And usually there's barely ever a cloud in the sky, and when there is, it's just a few. I love this place.